God, here goes nothing. You ready?
Yep.
I got gold glitter. Yay.
Yay. My turn.
That should be enough, right?
I guess. I got lotion. Fun thing to start with.
At least you went like me last round. Oh, wow. I got toothpaste.
Oh, that's always fun.
I only got to use half of it because, you know, we only have one. Whose fault's that?
I got blue glitter.
Ooh, this one looks different.
That should be enough.
Okay, that should be enough. Gonna do that, and then do that, maybe. Oh, fuck. Of course, I knew it was gonna do that.
Mm.
It's my turn.
Okay.
Beads. Only adding a little at a time. That's all we have.
Yeah, old slime.
That should be enough. Alright, do you want fluffy or do you want non-fluffy?
Well, I'll go with fluff. And of course, I drop it. Because, you know, I'm clumsy.
Lotion. We both got lotion, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll throw that over there. Of course, while we're on camera.
My turn, right?
Yep, it's your turn. And we'll use the rest of this lotion because, you know, it's the last round anyway.
Lip gloss. Looks like green this time.
Here's your... Oh, baby. I need a box. Charger box and your charger. Sorry about the inconvenience. What are you doing? And is there a place over here you can plug it in?
Yeah, I put it in the extension, wherever it's at. I think it's up there.
Hurry up, we're only on 9.
Yay.
Maybe.
Oh, whose turn is it?
Your turn. I just got lotion. Wow. Is it charging? Yes, it's charging. Thank God. Alright, looks like we're doing it sideways. Even though they can't see my face. Alright, now you can. What'd you get?
I got silver glitter.
That must be nice.
Just gotta add a special love.
Lip gloss. Yay. We'll use strawberry this time. And we'll take about this much off. Maybe I'll use 2 different ones. Do you think I should use 2 different ones?
If you want. I got scent this time.
We'll take about this much off for this one. Ooh, this is really glossy. I like these ones. They're really glossy. Okay then. What did we get? We got scent. Whoopsies. Just use the rest of it. Because you know.
Because why not?
Exactly. Just why not?
Let's see what I get. Toothpaste.
Throw it on the bed.
Yippee.
And just use the rest of it. I got shaving cream.
Look, this one here does look different.
And I'm going to use some of the other bottle. Because you know, my boyfriend had to use most of the other can last round.
I'm sorry.
And then we're going to use some of the Barbasol.
My turn.
Yeah.
Why not just use the rest of it?
Nah. Is there something?
Pink glitter. Of course it has to be at the bottom.
Of course. It's the pink. What do you think? It's always hiding.
Always.
While he pours his glitter in, I'm going to pick. We're going to get gold glitter. Yay, no more gold.
Well, she pours her glitter, I'm gonna pick.
Wow. Ew, so pretty.
I got white glue.
Pick whichever one you want. We got 3 of them there because we each get 2. You know. We're special like that. I got paint. Look at you. We're going to use the big bottle again. Maybe use some of the neon too. Let's see what color it turns out to be. Because you know us. It's your turn, babe.
I know.
Just throw that on the bed. We'll throw them away later. We're in the middle of a video right now.
And I get to pick again. Shaving cream.
Throw it on the bed. And while he adds his shaving cream, knowing him, he's going to take forever. We got
Really
pink
bad.
glitter glue. Yeah, I used the rest of it.
Couldn't put it down.
No. I only used a little because this is all we have left. Sorry for the inconvenience. We're not very rich.
Is it my turn again?
Yep.
Old slime again? Gosh darn it.
And that should be enough.
I'm just gonna add just this much of it. Actually, no, I already got it.
Let's see. We've got more gold glitter. Darn it. I
Don't you
wanted,
just love gold glitter?
I wanted some glue. What am I going to get glue? I mean, I got pink glue, but it wasn't enough.
God. Yarn?
Pick a color.
I'll go a little bit of blue.
I still got slime on me from the last batch we made. Oh, I got yarn too.
What's the odds?
We're gonna go with this multicolored one. And we're gonna go for here.
My turn.
Yep.
Let's see what I get. Hopefully more glue.
Me too.
Gold glitter.
Wait, we both got gold glitter, so we'll take that out. And my boyfriend's so cute. Like, white glue. We'll go for this back one.
We still got 2 more.
Yeah. Look at that flow.
God. I got beads.
Throw it on the bed.
Darn it.
Look at that flow of that glue.
Honey, where'd you put the beads?
Where did I put the beads? Oh no.
Maybe they fell behind.
Maybe.
I'll grab these ones.
Fine by me, they're still beads.
I'm gonna use a little bit because I don't want it to be too beady.
If you guys wonder why I'm sitting, I kind of sprained my ankle the other day. So, he won't let me stand for long periods of time. Your turn. Oh, wait, my turn? Well, maybe if you put it back in there right.
Ugh.
We got more white glue. We're going to go for this one this time.
Maybe if you'd learn to put them in there right.
Wasn't me.
Old slime again.
It's the last time, and then you don't have to use it if you get it again.
Yay. Because this time, I'm going to go with this much. A little bit less. See? That's all I'm going with.
Well.
Oh no, I don't want too much.
Oh, no.
What?
Is it my turn?
Yeah. This is a perfect clean shirt.
No one cares. Pink glitter. Did you get pink glitter yet?
I think so.
We'll throw that one out there. And we'll use that much. Because as you can see, we ain't got much pink glitter left either.
My turn.
Yep. Look at my slime. Oh yeah, look at it. It's turning out so good. I just like it already.
White glue.
And that's the last of the white glue. While he pours that in, I'm gonna go again. We got red glitter. That should be enough, right? And maybe a little more. And we're almost out of red.
Man, we're just running out of everything, aren't we?
Of course. That's what happens when we're not red. I'm gonna start mixing. Where did my stick go? There's my stick.
So glad I haven't got lip gloss yet.
Yes, you did. Remember, you added the green? Remember?
don't think. Oh, wow. Nobody saw that. Not at all. I'll just throw that away. And it's my turn, right?
Yep. Look at that slime.
Blue glitter. Did you get blue glitter yet?
No, I don't think I have. I think I've only gotten pink and gold. And then the red.
Ooh. I think that's enough. What do you think?
Would you like a... Oh, you already got a stick? Blue glitter.
Hey, you matched me.
Did you get red glitter yet?
Can't remember.
Maybe a little more. That should be enough. That should be plenty.
My turn.
Yep. And we're going to mix in my blue glitter. Ooh. That color is so satisfying.
Ooh, finally, paint. Did you already get paint?
Yep.
Oh, let's have a little bit of this color. And a little bit of neon.
Once we're done at the end, guys, comment down below whose is going to be better. Mine or his. Y'all better pick me.
No, me.
No, me.
Mine's definitely gonna be better.
Yo, okay. Says the one who's only gotten white glitter so far. And I've got pink glitter glue.
But mine's gonna be better.
I got silver glitter. Did you get silver glitter yet?
No.
Maybe that was a little too much. Shh, you don't need to know.
Ooh, I got pink glitter glue. Should I just use the rest of it?
Yeah, might as well, because that's all we got left. We still haven't gotten gold glitter glue. And whoever gets it gets to use the rest of it. So who's it going to be left with? Silver glitter again? We're just going to add a little bit this time because I kind of added a little too much the first time. That should be enough.
And since I'm still messing with this one.
Here, I'll read it for you. Red glitter.
Yay.
Would you like me to add it for you?
No, I had it. That's all.
Where'd that go? Right there. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, it's empty.
What do you think?
I think that's empty. Do you guys think that's empty? Comment down below if you think that's empty.
I'm sorry about the little mess because I kind of dropped it. Or kind of.
This ain't the lid. Where's the lid? Oh, maybe it is the lid.
Mine's definitely going to be better.
I don't think so.
I think you had a little too much glitter.
Shut up. Almost done. We're down to the last two. Old slime. Seriously? We're going to use non-fluffy.
Silver glitter.
It's like you're adding silver glitter.
Did we ever get the gold glue?
No, I don't think we did.
Well, that's odd. Well, looks like we saved that one. What do you think?
You think so? I'm going to add some old slime. We're just going to add the rest of this. Because, you know, this wasn't a very, very, very big batch. So let's just add the rest of this slime. see. Aha, I found it. Alright, we're going to keep going now that I found it.
I guess whoever gets this when it ends.
More beads.
Right?
What'd you do with the beads? Where'd you put that little container? Hello? Where'd you put that little container of beads?
Right here.
Since, you know, you lost our other bag. We're just going to add a little bit.
So we're going to toss whoever gets the gold glitter glue.
I guess so. And then just the purple one. Huh?
Gold glitter?
I
We just
don't
found
know.
out when we first get them.
Red glitter?
Who's going to get the gold glitter glue?
It's down to the last two. If he don't get it, I will.
I didn't cheat.
Aha.
Blue glitter.
Well,
Ugh.
looks like I got the gold. Rubber band. Well, looks like that one's going to go back in there.
Well. Wait, what did it say? Blue?
This is perfect. It's right here. Alright, now I found it.
Well,
This time, now that we're down to the last two,
let's see who
you guys can
Well-
close your eyes and pick this time.
will get it.
You gotta keep going until we get rubber bands.
And I
No,
got
no, keep going. Just down in here, rubber bands.
I got rubber bands. Gosh darn it.
Oh no. See if I'm gonna get it. We got two left still. Gold glitter glue? Oh my god, I actually got it.
Ah.
If you wouldn't have got those rubber bands, you could have had it.
I see how it is.
Looks like you get more rubber bands.
Well, I want more.
Hello? Hello?
Maybe I don't want to come up for you. Maybe it wants me.
Hello?
Gold glitter glue don't want you. It wants me.
Hello? Okay, here it comes. Very slowly. Sorry about the wait, guys. There's not much left in here. Come on out. I mean, hey, it's worth the wait, right? Here it comes. Finally.
An hour later.
Just because I love my boyfriend, I'm going to give him the rest.
Yay.
Well, I mix mine. Mm.
Maybe use the rest, for all I know.
Look at that. It's already starting to activate because of the old slime. Maybe I should add some more shaving cream. Should I add more shaving cream there, babe?
I don't know.
Should we use the rest of this one? Oh, honey. That should be enough, right?
Should be.
Should I add more color too?
That's up to you.
Because now that I put that more shaving cream in here, it's going to get lighter.
And this one here is officially gone.
Will you get in my thing down there where my lotions and stuff are and get me another container of lotion? Please? Please, please, please. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
He loves me so much. He didn't hear that, thank God.
Yes, I did. I love you so much, too.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, wow.
That's not.
Honey.
It's a red container there, honey buns. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't mind the messiness, guys. We're in the process of rearranging and cleaning for Christmas, you know. Ooh. You want some?
Yeah, why not?
It comes out just like glue.
What's this? Alright, it's gone.
No, it's not.
Well, almost. Oh, well, I changed color.
Why?
It's not the color it was, right?
No, not yours anyway. And my lotion is officially gone. Thanks to Butthole over here. And we're gonna move it down here and mix it because, you know, my foot is killing me. That smell. I like that
know.
smell. That smell is so amazing.
I love it. What about you?
Yes, it is the best smell ever. Are you ready?
I'm ready to activate. What about you?
Let's activate.
I guess I'll use this one.
If you guys are wondering why it looks like water,